Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a gift I received from my friends. Today is my birthday. So there is the BM10, a really tiny cell phone that works on GSM quad band. Let's take a look. So it's a simple phone released for calls and messages. There is the box, some specs about it. It has dual SIM, nano SIM, okay, and you can put micro SD card. There are the dimensions of the phone, really pocket, and has a battery of 350 milliamperes. So let's open it. What it includes? Okay, there we can read a manual in Chinese and English. It has audio player, MP3. You can use the phone as a Bluetooth device. Okay, it only includes this micro USB cable for charging it, a sticker with the image of the phone on the phone. As you can see, it's smaller than a lighter, from the brand L8STAR. Let's take a look at its weight. The phone has inside the battery but without any cards, so around 25 grams with SIM cards. Okay, so there you can see it, tiny buttons. It's a clone from the Nokia 3310 from 2017. At the top we found a micro USB port for charging it or transfer data, because you can put a micro SD card inside of it. And at the back the speaker. So let's open it. Let's check what it is inside of it. The case, the battery, and there you can see you can put two nano SIMs and a micro SD card. So let's quit that sticker and turn it on. It has an OLED display of 0.66 inches. So there you can see the main screen. Okay, with one hand, really hard I think to use. Really small. We entered the main menu. We found phone book from our SIM cards or the memory inside the phone. It has a storage up to 250 contacts, messages, call center, media. As I told you, you can put micro SD cards with MP3 sounds. As you can see, audio player at the top, and at the bottom a voice recorder, I think, but it doesn't have internal memory for record. Organizer, there we can find alarm. At settings, what we found, time and date. Okay, display, Keypad Backlight. Now you can see it has lights on or off. Okay. You can select how much time you want the keypad lights, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds or always off. Okay, I will put 10 seconds for example. Phone settings, we found language, English, Francais, Espanol, Danish, Portuguese, Italiano, Deutsch, Bahasa, Dutch, Vietnam, Russia, Arab, I don't know that languages, please comment below what it says, I don't know, I think from India, Swedish, and different languages, very complete. Preference about input while writing a message, ABC, Spanish, the different languages it includes, as you can see. Okay. It also has flight mode, okay, security settings, dual SIM settings. You want to connect one SIM or both SIMs. At connectivity, the Bluetooth, you can connect the phone to another phone. The store settings, services, it says Facebook, WhatsApp. I think it is notifications via Bluetooth that you can receive from your main phone. Okay, and also services from the SIM cards, different profiles, general, silent, outdoor, indoor. At general, it's customize the settings, ring only, repeat, ring one time, the volume, the hi-hat option, okay, different tones. That was the message tones, the keypad tones. You also can put keypad tones like click or tone. So I think the ring type, ringtone that we found. Oh, that's amazing. That's, I think, an old ringtone from Siemens. Old ringtone from a Nokia. And also you can select a ringtone from your micro SD card. I think it has a fine ringtones comparing to some Android phones, in my opinion. So that's the settings at the profile. So that was all. I think the phone doesn't have vibration option. There you have Bluetooth settings for connect to your main phone and the file explorer if you put a micro SD card. So I think that was all about the phone. Really tiny, really cool, as you can see. Please comment below what do you think about it. Like and subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye!